Hello, my name is Brian Mwangi, and this is my submission for the Africastalking Gemini hackathon. So I built GemiGraph, which is an AI assistant powered by LangGraph agents. So GemiGraph is able to utilize Gemini's API and actually do research in a much more compressive manner. So here is me trying out an example. So explain the difference between RAG fine-tuning with recent paper support for each approach. And what happens in the background is that Landgraph spins up some agents and they get to work. So you can see here it streams to the UI. It starts off by analyzing the queries, planning search strategy, and actually searching the web. You can see for now we have like 20 results found using the EXA web search tool that is attached to the agent. And after a while, you can see we are able to analyze the results. That is, get the 20 citations, and after that we create an evaluation, that is we synthesize whatever we have found and according to whatever knowledge the AI agents from Gemini has. And you can see here correctly that it's able to actually do some research. You can see it's able to even format very well in the UI and write out some citations inline to the system. It's able also to use the tool for tables. So we have a table tool that it uses, and after doing all the conclusions it adds the sources, that is what has been referenced. You can see here as number 19 and 20, and it was referenced. Now here is another thing: you can be able to spin up multiple agents, that is using the model console. So you click on search research, and after you click on search research, this one is going to be a bit different. So it's going to deploy 3 agents in parallel, and you can see here in my tracing for using Langsmith for the agents, you can see there are a couple of agents that are spin up. You can see here we have a chat OpenAI agent. We also have a chat Google. This is the Gemini 3.1 Pro, and we also spin up an agent for Anthropic. And what happens here is that we assume that research is supposed to be group work, and that is a community work and not an individual person's work. And you can see Gemini takes 17 steps, and it actually does a very comprehensive research, creates event tables, and actually provides its own citation of whatever it gets its sources. And after that, what happens is we deploy a new agent of Gemini 3.1 Pro, because it has a very large context window that is able to now take the output of each of the different models that were researching on the same topic, and now it's able to compare and contrast between them. And you can see here we have multiple table and unique findings. So here you can see, as I'm highlighting, I have the models where models disagree. So what are the different things between the Sonnet, the Gemini 3.1 3.1 Pro, and GPT 5.2? That is what are the different places it disagrees. Here is me showing the running model console, the different models and synthesization of the different models, and the output of that. And from there you can be able to actually this is a better way of research. So you can see where the models agree, and if it agrees, that means the Gemini model is able to find the best information. These are the unique findings that may have been noted by the different models and may not be noted by the other ones. And that is what we now create a very detailed summary, research summary, which means that we take the best out of the best, and we actually comprehend and create a better summary than relying on one. And here is what Gemini provides, and that is the sources. You can also send these via SMS to your phone number. So here is me sending it to my phone number. You can add your number, and after that just click on send SMS. We validate that it's an actual country code number, and after that we see you can get an SMS. And you can also call the API also via such SMS. So star 544 star, sorry, 45553, and here is you get a research, sorry, your research is pending with an ID. So research does not take around 30 seconds. It always will be a very long while. So it gives you a pending research to make you to confirm that we are actually doing that. And after like 3 minutes from this, you can see that you get a research. Your research is completed, and here is a link to your research. So what happens is that you can click on the link, and for these since it's not highlighted, you're going to copy paste it, and you can actually see now, you can get to the website and see the actual conversation, or sorry, the actual research that has been done, it in the right manner.